Hey guys, if you're using Google Chrome and the Ask Gemini button isn't showing, here's how you can get it back. First, you may have accidentally unpinned Gemini from Chrome. To restore it, right-click on any tab and look for the option to Pin Gemini. Another way to check is to click the three dots in the top right corner, open Settings, and look for the Gemini or AI-related options. If the Ask Gemini option isn't showing at all, the first thing you should do is check whether Chrome is up to date. Go to About Chrome, let Chrome check for updates, and then relaunch the browser if an update is available. After Chrome restarts, go back into Settings and find the AI Innovations section. Select Gemini in Chrome, then make sure the Gemini feature is enabled. Once it's turned on, the Ask Gemini button should appear in Google Chrome again. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.